If you keep searching through XcelTips for the same button again and again, the Quick Access Toolbar can save you time. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use it and customize it in just a few clicks. The Quick Access Toolbar is the small toolbar near the top left of the Excel windows. You may see buttons like Save, Undo, and Redo. The useful thing is that this toolbar stays available even when you switch between the ribbon tabs, so you can keep your favorite commands in one place. Let's add a command to this Quick Access Toolbar. First, go to the command you want to add. For this example, I will use command on the Home tab, like Merge and Center. Right-click the command and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now, the command Merge and Center appears at the top. From now on, you can use it without searching through the ribbon or even when you click in different ribbon tabs. You can also add commands from the toolbar menu. Click the small drop-down arrow on the Quick Access Toolbar. Excel shows a short list of commands like New, Open, Save, and others. Click any command you want to add, for example, Quick Print. The command is added right away. If you need more choices, choose More Commands. This opens Excel option windows where you can add more commands from a larger list. Find any command that you want, click Add, then click OK. For example, I choose Page Setup, click Add. When you are done with the command you like, click OK. The command you selected appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. If your toolbar gets too crowded, you can remove command you don't use. Right-click the command on the Quick Access Toolbar, then click Remove from the Quick Access Toolbar. The button disappears immediately. This does not delete the feature from Excel, it only removes the shortcut from this toolbar. Repeat the same step for any command you want to remove from the Quick Access Toolbar. You can also move the toolbar if you want to be easier to see. Click the drop-down arrow, then choose Show below the ribbon. Now, the Quick Access Toolbar appears below the ribbon, closer to your worksheet. To move it back, open the same menu and choose Show above the ribbon. You can also show or hide the Quick Access Toolbar. To do that, click the drop-down arrow. It is the ribbon display option. Then choose Hide the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar disappears immediately. To bring it back, go to the same menu, which is the ribbon display option. Choose Show Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar appears again immediately. Here is a beginner tip. Don't add too many commands at once. The Quick Access Toolbar is most helpful when it stays simple. Start with commands you use often like save, redo, undo, or you can add like format cell, filter, or sort. You can always add more later. Quick recap. Find the Quick Access Toolbar near the top of Excel. Right-click a ribbon command and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. And remove anything you don't use so the toolbar stays clean. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.